Hi. So I just got my mail and I got a poly bag of Harry Potter Legos in the mail. I'm also trying a different computer angle to see if that's better for viewing Lego builds. I'm pretty excited about this one. It's got a wee little Harry in it. So I figured I could just build it. Chit chat, you know? Have a little happy moment. So if I tip this down, oh yeah, can you see the mess I just made? Oh, almost lost tiny piece. Alright, and I gotta push this back. Yeah, look at that. So many Legos. Alright, so here's my instructions. This should be a quickie. There's a whole lot of Legos in the Harry Potter series. So, okay. Oh, I'm gonna build his little cart. Okay. So this is from the first book, which we read together. And Harry, is about to go through the wall. He has Hedwig. See, tiny Hedwig. That's pretty adorable. I have a stuffed Hedwig, but he is or she, my bad, good gosh. She is in the classroom, stored away, where I can't get to her. What's this wrench doing on this? Okay. So here's the top part of the cart, like where he'd pull it along with his little Lego hand. This is cute. Oh, wheels. Are these? Okay. Are those what I get for wheels? Yes, okay, there's no more wheelie bits. So here's that bit. Oh, that's cute. Okay. So now I have to put his book together. Oh, this is precious. Look, there's like a little spell. The details in Legos are so satisfying. All right, let me pop this in here. I wonder if that's a Wingardium Leviosa spell. These are the ones. Wingardium Leviosa. Which is the front? I guess it doesn't matter. They both look the same. All right. Oh, opens. I love it. Okay. Oh, man. That can go right in his little cart. He has a tiny suitcase. I don't think anything goes in the tiny suitcase. So I just pulled it. I feel like something goes in that tiny suitcase. I guess not. And a wee little cauldron. Oh, this is too cute. Look at that. Off to Hogwarts I go. The cauldron should be behind the bag. There we go. Oh, great. Okay, so Harry. Got to build him. Probably should have built him first. All right. It's got little legs. So should Harry have scared face? How do I get through this? How do I get through to 9 3/4? Where is it? How do I do this? Or should he have a more confident face? Like, I got this. Yeah, I'm going to go with the scared face because he didn't know what he was doing. He was panicking when he first went to that wall. He didn't know where the station was. I got to break off his wand. Just going to struggle getting this wand in his hand. Put your little Lego claw. There we go. Whew. Oh, I almost forgot his hair. All right. So there's Harry. He's got his little cart. He's got his wand. He's got his anxiety of the unknown. Harry Potter. All right. So it's time for me to put together Hedwig's cage. So I need this thing, and I'm putting this on top. All right, look at me. I want these little things to go on this. Oh no, I don't. What am I doing? Okay. And then these go on. See how it's turning into a little cage? Maybe you don't yet. That's okay. I have the big picture over here, so I can see it. This is pretty great. Very pleased about this coming in the mail today. It wasn't supposed to get here this early. All right, so I got that done, and now Hedwig goes in the middle. Just got a spot on her head. Can't have that. Look at it. So satisfying. All right, so now with this one, I think I'm doing the same thing all over again. Oh no, I'm not. That was not the truth. Look at this. Building a bird cage. Building Harry. I think I'll have him run along my windowsill. See that rookie mistake I just made? Oof. Just put them on the wrong way. It's a good thing they weren't hard to get apart. Sometimes they can be awful, and then you have to get that orange Lego separator. Or you get a student to do it for you. But right now, I don't have that luxury. Can't just have one of you do it. And it's done! Ta-da! There's Harry, ready for Hogwarts with Hedwig in her cage. His cart with a little cauldron is so cute. And Harry in a panic. All right. That was fun, you guys. I hope you remember that scene from being in the book. I now have an extra Lego wand. Not too shabby if I can get it off here. There we go. Maybe not. Wow, this is really putting up a fight. Does not want to be separated. Just want another wand. Okay. All right, so I will see you in my next Lego video. It'll probably be another Lego Women of NASA. So until I see you again, stay healthy, stay safe, and take care.